How can you spend 7 hours for somebody matter? How can you spend 3 hours for person matter? Ça va pas la tête? Do you have a mental problem? If you have a mental problem, go to the hospital and treat yourself. Go to the hospital. Go to the hospital because this is not, it's not normal anymore. You think that it's normal. Crazy people like you, they are clapping hand. Say, hey, what they normal, what they normal. Where say, una head not to day normal. Yesterday, the same matter. Today, the same matter. Next tomorrow, the same matter. Is that how to talk in this life? When you look at yourself, you understand? There are things to say. I leave my hair like this. Oh, thank you, Sister Blessing, one of Jamie. God bless you. God bless you. I love you. Oh, year 2004. If in a year 2004 you come Europe, clap for yourself. You see, the money where they YouTube now, year 2004. Year 2004. If in a year 2004 now you come, clap for yourself. Me, I know they like to they repeat one thing. What do me they do? Something of last year, I can say it once again this year. But I can't they talk the thing every time, every day. No, you know they normal. People that have normal heads, when they see the thing, they go no say you two get mental problem, or maybe not like their own. Wow, what trying to treatment? Because even if you call yourself a Christian, but always go and check your hair. We will repeat it every time. You check hospital. Either you live a life here. If you don't make unano, when you learn how to let go. I pick one preaching where Odogun preach. He said, we're supposed to say sorry. One person is supposed to say sorry. If you need that relationship, and which is true, not only with your wife or with your husband, could be your friend, your family. If you need your family, you can tell them sorry. Telling them sorry is you are not a fool. You need a family way. Not sorry. If you need your wife, you really love your wife, whether she's right or she's wrong, tell her and say sorry, darling. If you need your husband, you really need her and say this man, me, I don't want to lose him, no matter what. Tell her and say sorry. When I leave my ex, I never tell her and say sorry because I don't need them again. I make her not say sorry. If you come and land, I know they pick. If like say I need them, as if they say sorry, I go even claim her. Me too, I go say tell her and say sorry. That's so they say they live life. That's some people go say those two people they know they quarrel. They quarrel. One don't learn how to say sorry. This my house. Now me they say sorry pass. Odogun go there online now. Now me you they always say sorry pass, whether good or bad. Because me I need that. I need my relationship. I don't need that. I not be say if I not say sorry, no. I go say sorry. I know now it's okay, sorry. Even yesterday with the drive they go. The girl waiting I talk, he vest. I they tell you, Sava, sorry nah, sorry. You know, I gonna do like small picking. That is how to live. If you make friend with me, I offend you, not say sorry. Tomorrow now, where you still wrong, go. Now so, they will still make problem with you. You know, will still say sorry. You won't get enemy. There are some people, they get 5 enemies, they quarrel with the 5 enemies. There are some people, they get 5 enemies, they have never quarreled with them. Are you the one that I'm talking to? Some people, they, in their land, 10 people will know the great time. If you investigate, that 10 people, you don't make problem with them. Do you think that it's a good idea? It's not a good idea. But when you have problem with 10 people where you never quarrel with, you can even take her proud. I don't ever offend you one day. I don't ever talk to you. There is a lady that begged me for Chatoruch Market. That lady, I'm not doing anything. God is my witness. Everybody know her. If I call her name, they go know her. When I say I start with a Lamoguna, no Lamoguna, Lamogu where they say cloth for such Chatoruch. The lady come and meet me. That time, I want follow Lamo go buy something. Lamo go want go bring the thing come. She just come and meet me say, hey, Auntie Yuri, forgive me. I say, me, I never offend you one day. I'm surprised if you see me, you know they greet me again. Hey, Nabi, now wait till the year about your matter. Now wait till the year that make me dislike you. Your matter when I the year say Jesus. If you live for people, if you they live waiting people they talk about person say now you want to hate me, you go get enemy. Because not be only me one that they talk about you. Any okpoma no bebo atemo very major okpoma making bebo ni mekere. I'm one of okpoma. So if I am one of okpoma, they must talk about me. My village people go talk about me. Outside people who they never know me before, they must talk about me. Any okpoma, whether you never be okpoma right now, if God don't write your name, your ancestors don't put your name, say, oh mona, it's one money, my head, or the money where people must talk about you. People must hate you. People must give you that say, even when we be me, we man to me. Wow, we be me. We do the nyawu will not let baligbe. You know I hate me. When no will not let baligbe. When no we do we have video baligbe na okay. La wa me ti wa to orun opa ni meri no gbalegbe. Wa me ti to orun opa ni meri no gbalegbe. Here we vima, many people. The woman begin say, onigbera na say no. Oh, when a boy made a mistake. I no matter mama, I hate someone. Get where you are only. Okay, and woman no money. We are what perfect. We hear ya lele me no matter where. Again, you know, Kega calling me. I don't know when not time. Or what things when I don't hear about you. And I'm where you zele. Ask me who know me where they Leon. That Leon where they day. Who don't ever come my house? If you know say you day Leon, you come my home, tell me the truth. But she say, she not be Binio. She say, Yuri, Mommy Yuri, you know what I don't hear about you? A lot. I said today, Uko, see what they say they talk about you. So it not so like be. If you believe, what your eye not see, you believe say not true, now so they go still talk about you. Now so they go still talk about you. So this life what we did, we get different type of human being. I'm your man egbe balo. I'm your man egbe balo. I'm your man legbe efo. Uga tebe ma legbe efo. Oro. Oga legbe efo so ahun mi. I'm your man oga legbe efo ya amogogo. Omugo ga ma mi ohono oje church. Uga tebe ma especially all right to all my right to and omana reply we mi ogogo. A fever when I say fever baba wa mo. So ori observe gbe we gbo ma video ye ki we e me legbe yen wi. So anything really we almost to reply. Anything really tagging almost to reply. Or your curfew gbe wa figure we gbe be figu e. Abi wa mo e gbe abi we no ge me na ru we je. E me legbe we wi a. Ohun wo curfew gbe. Ohun wo ka tagbara gbeje. O ma ni ga be ti mu we gbe be ti egi. So when you know that kind of person, that person be who avoid them, their heart is very pure. Tia wa kaka. Ave manemi legbe yanfo. They are very good. Mabege e manemi legbe yanfo. Any mo ma Jesu loko. We are who we no who ma go we. They are very dangerous. So Mona pick this advice. They are very wicked. Oh, it is a book bewa. Mabege iya nene legbe ya foni ya jeke no boje. Unu ya ni ya reply. Yes. Wa be figi obo obo wa be figwe. Wa be tama obo obo wa be tagwe. Mabege ya mo tagwe. Itu ma nene. They are very very dangerous, my good people. Yes. They are very dangerous. Their hearts full of evil. Any ogiaya kila gioma. Any ori e picture ma yo double. Any o mwebogbo ma danene. Yeah. Why we marry? Oh, what marry no? Oh, me no. Now make many pastors. When you talk about them, notice say many of them they don't reply. They don't reply. It is said they don't reply you for inside their house. You lie. They don't reply you for public. You think so they don't read Psalm for your head. You lie. They are very dangerous. All those pastors we go talk about them, they know they talk to you. They cannot even come out to say the way they go to reply you. You go to see temptation, problem to problem. You see the one way go come out, can't reply you, they don't get power. They don't get conscience. They don't have wicked minds. They are very simple. But when people look at them, go say, what go reply? I reply here. But if you look at it, it's very good. Uwe ya even oro unu dare. Uwe ya we pray and we have pray. Uwe even we have get it beware. Ma bege ma no atebo na ya egun fear them o. Wa bo ya na aro wa aro ye egun fear that your mouth. Fear not say na momo even no ma morio we mai. Iyo no go saze we mai. Ma bege we wa go no wa reply we. It's very good. Awelare eti ma pa ime gba be time we se fe yo ni bi me nwa kere na bi mi awa we da do ke kinyoke we zuo utebu me amugoju wo hu e karata we dana ga pa bobo ni me ya ta me family megwi me adori egbo ma bugwe ma bege bo tebi no ro nu be to ga ipe so no eta nwe mi no ro na ere we o ota ne be me die egwo zuo dana me goju wo ma ba mata alaja because o mata alaja ma o we no ai moe ma bege go mata alaja wonu be de total alaja wonu no keke ewe I o pe na ni wa biele no we eri ene o wa agui mata na ladia aga be ga gbode mata na be ladia e so iteme ne ba agui o we no na kware make me talk I say lie a reality what am we ni forget no be kware wa agui mata wa ladia unu e ma ni zieme aga agui mata ladia wonu ya iga wa ga ro very oni gwa sayo monu wata we momi joro to a message na ma to what before oh what ya make girlfriend de wo ebe no ya ta oh wo wete wo pa melele we girlfriend me wo agwegwego wa ga settle ga wo ge no ge o go ta o ge mo to what am we ni yes I believe you. Thank you, Sister Edith. It's true. Why give my head? Be my what's no? I'm gonna tell mata. Why mama na guyona tama I hate you or gele hate you or hate you. But as a Christian when you hate you, that hate can never be forever. It can never be forever. Ma bege no mara muta when you hate you when you're forever. Then we say, oh, 80 well, but to mommy think time. Only almost to 80 well forever. They are very dangerous. Very major mobile Kevin. If you now watch me on mobile Kevin, oh, me 80 well, and I watch it. Yeah, you hate it. Because I just say it. Because the Bible make me understand. You cannot hate the children of God. Even the devil puts you to say it. You can't hate the children of God. You cannot hate them. No matter how you do, no matter how una quarrel, at the end of the day, una go still be one. Now, only people will not know God, now they do enemy forever. People, since I was born, I have never do enemy forever. Even if I not greet you for 5 years, the day where you go say you're and they forget quarrel. I know they say, oh, me, I not be like that. Oh, God forbid. He may cover you. Maveni mabo ekbarona. Magave mikere. Ebi no gichi my via loviene. Beginning of my very oh. I built my home like this. Ebi no gichi my lovie kuku bezo ni said the next day. Oga wa jo bo kame iwa ewebezo. Iwa ewe. Ebi no ga gichi yen yo bola mekun. Yo bola mekun ah. Iwa we gbe mo o imu dai. Eri o keke no ma ya live. Oma numa like elo ye ke wo bedi. Oma numa like este ke wo. If you call yourself a Christian, you cannot stay with your enemy. You cannot eat with your enemy. Even if you know they talk with her, you have to talk with her. You have to play with her. You and your enemy, now they do the same plate, and you they call them your enemy. How it be your enemy? Okmok pa wa lo. Iyok pa wa yak pok man wa koko yari bai. Amo pa wa koko won, a fridge pa wa lo, a television pa wa koko ge. I te be your enemy. It's lack of understanding. That is not enemy. Una lack to understand each other. It's not your enemy. Una no understand yourself. Because if you don't understand yourself, you go to say, I know they talk to una, me and she they do enemy, or me and he they do enemy. Una no understand yourself. Una know they do enemy. You know what it be enemy. Oh, they no lie, well lie. That is enemy. Hey, I remember one girl that they call her Mosato. Osasume. People when they stay Akenzwa, una go know Osasume. Nijega have made braids. She's married now. Akenzwa Street. Wale Stadium Road ni. Ave that family as a Kenya Africa. Kenya Jimana Africa. Una know mama ima Kenya Africa with Stadium Road. Vakenzwa. Vakenzwa. Wale Stadium Road. Who are dollar fi Akenzwa. Iji manoga Africa. Wani no reba. A lady naga atie Osasu. Osasu ga lele wewe here. Uga lady ante or turn back. Or prefer no ya lezieke. Osasu ga ate or ake school day. Ona ake school day when I wrote go do. Or turn back. It made me know. And she they go church. You know say Christian. All those Christians sometimes don't understand. She be quiet. She be quiet for church. Us in one correct Christian. But ogalele we here. Wo ya in here. Hey. O denu la yela. I say 1 minute no ya la wo wa. Just because of what big we go ronu wa. O we gbe turn back. O ya no onuri buy. O ya lo onuri buy. Now you go still go meet and say, "La Osasoni say igui." Yes. Opman uyari ba. Awa. Uga le ba honu okon le ba ni anwu yen se kenuju. O prefer no ya tie bi ate woman no ga kin ze bo gbe yo ahu we kin je Friday no. Iye Friday ye no kin. Omo elele that day mekeli shop ya kan. O prefer no ya tie oni we Friday do mu serve me. You know? So omo no tori oge la dia any omo no even no ma. Uga we mi ele egbe we they are very good. I know them. When I see them, I know them. ES Summit. And when you make friend with them, not gonna you make the way you make friend with them, you will enjoy them. Uga mi mo be gbiyan. Una watamiya we ukmona nu jona. Iwa like awa kieri enu. Yeah, iye wa kieri enu. But again, kan we kan ya be me. O be kan we kan ya be me ni ya be onu ya be agbe wo kan. Yes. Iya watch me na do it to Emi ni ya wonu eye be ya gbe wo kan. O wa kan we kan ye mi ni ya wonu eseti wa we very o. Ya must ya gbe wo kan. Ya gbe wo kan na eti ya gbe wo kan because they are wicked. Ya gbe wo kan wonu ya jere we o ma no ma ki. O ma me ni ya lele we ki ma we mi dan o se ni na ya gbe wo kan. Nugwe make na remember no emia se ni unu egenu mana mi ogwa bia me we seke egenu na riba bo happy we that is the but wa normal that in wa we agbokan gbe o in agbokan me I understand them because in wa we bu wa wo po wa we no ga agwa lo do ina mo do no we to time because no da we all time we remember we on ma dan we ye ma we mi ta one day yes nu ya le ye mo bo gi ni e unu do ma ta ye kin ya ma we nu that is the reason ni ana gbokan ime gogo no ma we se no gbokan o ma se no ni we se because e mama na we se the life na ma se ti make so where they are a side man we say no gbokan so that ni ma ya make na am yesi o ga isame me won na ko na le ya gbe ko ni ma kam so faga no wa me na agbe mu sa me won o ga iri na la wa kwa na iro na do ya agbe mo ko ni ma kam so faga ni ma ya ni ya ru se o wi job me on me no important only me no important in the life in my ya so wa ni we say no ma wa ata wa ma gbokan envelope na ye church e ma ye beta awe church ni ga jogi ni go ni ga zero free give ni ya wi jobo gbokan a lifestyle ya no is their way a lifestyle ya no e better time eri emu we ade we bo we yuge la we bo we do avi we talk gbe woka de mana mu we la we bo e ma ni gbo kan ya mu we a iye mu ale ma ni gbo kan wo mi wa nera wo bi an iye to o ma they are very stingy e ma ni gbo kan iye mi iye we say they are very wicked omo wo ma wa mi la gbo kan. Hey, if I do good, I know they ever talk. It's a lie. You have never do good before. There is no good tonight. Cover. Whether not your friend or not be your friend, whether you fair do or not they play again, you will continue to say it. A good I make example. You see that woman will not they talk with me. When that woman come this country, now me help and fight the documents. It's normal. They have to say it. They have to say it. Well, only man he will say, me agbe woka, ede de neye jobo. Una e uma la ke wo wo gbe do repeat e neye jobo. We neye jobo. Any menje, me we say baby. Yeah, we say we be tie. We are the uni me we be tie. Because now we understand ourselves. That's what it's supposed to be. I must say lay. E mi no mama amule. Uma wume de mo imieta. Uma de party me de ultimate we defend me de fete get odona me odona na me. O de better go na de mi gume. Do ma me de mi gume me amata. I get tana. So irioji. You get my point? So God bless you. It's okay for today's service. God bless you. I'm okay like this. God rewards you. God bless you. Keep on with this message. Shall be well with us in the name of Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh wa work real. Oh wa work below. The most important thing umeke Emani me mi agbon. Oh jo wa nekere agbon makan. Oh ye fe agbon makan. The most important the fe no keke na me bege ne fe na me peace. Adobo me wo me moto wa me peace. O do si we why wo mo ma ro pasa number 1 be nu na mo masa igo no riri lawo be ko manage aga mi go ya we mi no do ma egie no kwa no adobo me wo billionaire at least wa we will no so we mi go ya we emi no manu mama ni defe nene igo wa biele ya kanti ma gwa le gbo ni as a Christian because wa wo mo ro pari o wa no ave ya feed e mo ave wi je do de computer mo we mi edeni ya baba do do no na mi mo we mi edeni o ni ma igualo o wa we denit o me telling me palo it's okay for you I'm agmojo wa imoto umi moto no fi o kan we fi fi it's okay e mo kun mi we ro pa kun mi so why you want to kill yourself you want to get the whole world and lose it so o ga mi no re ma chun so ahi o falo no salo pa mu no e ma soro ni re ma chon e mo gogo e ma soro ni re ma chon ma na gwezo be dokpa iye mi gogo we since 1 week na we gwezo wo wa we since 1 month now we gwezo wo wa we answer me since 2 days now we gwezo wo wa we so why can't you give God the glory? Don't imitate anybody in this life. E da to get me no rio everywhere gbe. E da to get me no pass through everywhere gbe. E da to get me no pass through everywhere gbe. There are many people ne me marry wo no ore. Ke mani ki yon ma ke mani ma ki yon ma. U ga le lo mo una re we me ma wo no e wa re gap ne. Una re we there is nothing good you learn from that person. Re gap ne. Cause a life in imagine no doubt that when I uga ma when I uga yeke. O saloba we ne dey agbo we o keke ni ma be ya ugo down. O we ma ga zo we no we no ri ma ya zo we no we ma so zo we kian. O ma we ma ze zo we ni ma be la yeke no. I say one person comment he say ubego dogu gun eri o keke no pe ya agun e me igba wo no e. Yes, o si ya mi o pe no gun zo e kun yere re. Oni mami we ni like we o bet for me melele gbo pe avere o. Opiano ogun oye opiano push on a gele awe live video ame bi okwo no do contribute to live video re ame bi okwo as a man of thinking ba obey ogun aba even one unless we here like pray we support a man of thinking ba okwo zejo obo okwo contribute to kenoje go back to my village you can never see a woman record your way You can never see a woman take tafia with me and a meeting. Memo be an oga. I want to eat you, so far no dating. I just that for me, ya well, equate. I met you that from Moko do as a yobo. Oko no learn. Ah, was sick baby. When it comes to one matter, that one will be me and you. Or it's sick, but that for me, no can jaro. Because I go very hima. Okbia no okbia. Or a milkbia no piano, where a man is my level. I have anything I would like to see this man. He's a man of thinking about. He's a man of knowing himself. What am I? Opiane oga. Ave mwe level ore oga. Opiane oga. Ave mwe opiane oga. Ogbe many people with the nena. Iya oweti ya re. You cannot call yourself a man. Why? Equal to a time. We are gay and equal better. You are not a fool man. You're supposed to be a woman. You're supposed to be a woman. No matter how you find rich, no matter how you talk, no matter how you slim, if you don't talk like a man, maybe me no matter I may value way. Yes, me value way. Il lack up be an ogwa. Unwe go be on. Wari womo gu womo gugele. Meje kini abde mi no mama mi no mama de. Meje kini abde mi no wo. Ide no ma. Omo no ma jesku. Because when we ma jesku, when we ma de intelligent, no can really look be out think about so they can put you through. A video ni mewe enedia. Amayo boka megbe wo wana. Iri oja bai. Ige kwe mume bi ata. Iri oja bai video ni gwe. But that's what wana in here. Amayo boka me. Normally, I appeal lobi. Aka kisi megbe. Amayo dese kenije because ni uni ma supporting. Ore no de again he ma support. Iri ori riowa. When he don't la moto. Men o ya king we na day. Iri ya we ni jewu. Wa ewu ni ewu no joining my via my picture. Ewu wa me o ma kere ya vie mi yo. Igwa to. O we ni la moto. Ni ya mu mestro maybe erere me. When the mokbana waru wa mu ye understand. Oh ya mu me my via ma stroll more than 3 hours we know there. Ona ajimoto mu me lele ya kin ya o ma me ya. Eri oke kenoje. Any woman or misbehaving or be correct, you will bring insult to your husband. If you don't know me, you know. You will bring insult to your boyfriend. If you know they take correction from your husband. If you really say your husband is a quality man. If you know your husband is a quality man, there are some advice you know we take care. Ohona me wo me go say, okwo e me go sok be awowa. Forget, you nya when you go we. Cause some man take a correction. O ga degbo ohun. You are the nearest person no ka go heavy. You are the nearest person no ka ta I have told you before. You don't listen to me. Okay, anything really how kamwe tamoda fun wene okay emi no gbe career va emi nunu na no forma no de ero ori gbe career uma na control nuwe ogbo ma career gbe o ma no ka wa love you just because of a little things no lad dem no we ma give love you iye we ma na gbon ri oji eri ma na gbon je tin amoyo mure o metive yeti we and after some weeks oh why we am we come down we do love you but how long will we be doing that? For how long? Ime yin ajo ya se gbe doctor ke ya yin mo ujo ime be yin doctor then yin na be tami me owo we ma soro no ga preach when we preach me 1000 unless he walk guezo or fuck me 1000 ku we come ani jore de no ma say uga guezo the program where people hate you, people run away from you, but when others are doing problem, people will stay there. Can't you say you and those people are not the same blessing? I do like this now. We woo, it's true. I'm not talking. It's true. Because anytime I make anything problem, my followers, my members, they hate me. They begin to cry. They begin to say, Mommy, we know that is making problem. People will say, right down. They will fool there. But when you are making problem, you will lose viewers. What now? If I dey make problem here, if na problem me dey talk, since people go don't run comot. Osaloba wa huli ya kwa. Cause what say, I want a direction here when one's go and preach to the world. I have given you gift to talk. I am not a graduate, but igwari bude no ma ya we agele bude no. We to bo we are tawe ado gwijure gwa. Because God have given me that gift. So why control with the gift? Why control with the gift? And you don't put time on it. Or we say no, beg you blame me when you know we know that. Do those that God want to use that to correct you. Because the devil already knows. So your message na boom boom. Your message na injection. No, your message now, what did it happen for people home? Not be everybody get that love from God. You pray for person go walk. You talk for person go walk. Well, what are you still looking for? Continue the way God wants you to do a job. Don't continue the way people want you to do for them. Not be everybody get a lot to talk. We go get viewers, we go the listing. Not be everybody. Yeah, not be everybody. Some people with that problem, they cannot get view house. They cannot even see who could stand there. Never. Now wrong, they go wrong. Because you go feed the word, say, oh my God. But when God bless you to speak, as you they talk, oh God, you go to see the comment, go say, right down, thank you. The program go make cool. I don't even expect that I can make a video today. I don't even expect. I was in my bed. At the year, say person they bath. I look at my back, or don't go no day. I say, this man don't stand up. Then I go piss. I go inside bedroom. I go meet her for bedroom. I say they do prayer. They do prayer with socks. Because if I any mama, my mono one why. If they do prayer with salt, I allow him to do prayer. When he don't do prayer, finish, I go back again. I say, you get where they go this morning. Say you want to do a money service with the whole world. I say, can I join you? Just listen. He said, yes, if you like. I said, no, me, I want to stay inside room. Make you want to go do one. So as I stay inside room, God now told me, go and join him. Yeah. Now I said, come stand for him. Come stand with him. Beginning, I said, no. Me, I want to go like that for Isabe. I go from there, they comment. You see, God plan in your life. There is nobody. Let me tell you, for those where they say, Isaac, where, and Isaac, logo, okay, no. Osalobaga, what, or I must say, Johnny. I want my setting boy. And you know who are here? I want my setting. Nobody can do it. Nobody. For how long no aya aria ni omawa? For how long no aya nuna ne nwago bowe? O sa go meri agbon igwe me nwago bowe. Igwe me nu nwago bowe. As a human being. Okay, why God can't create you? Now to come and destroy the children of God? Now to come and collect the evil where the children of God do come they judge and I make God create you? You lie. You miss a very big road. God not create to judge anybody. You don't have right to judge anybody. If I judge person, at the end of the day, I can't do something. You don't have right to judge me. Even me when judge that person before. Now, Momo worry me when me judge. Nobody have right to judge. Nobody. Now, Momo worry me. So you want to Momo like me? No, come on. Don't Momo like me. Have wisdom like Jesus Christ. He never judge. No matter how the world be, no matter how the town turn out to. He never judge. Jesus Christ, he do a lot of things for outside. He not do for in village people. The way I wear not bomb a cake by your worry. No that devil right inside. Even France. There are many Okboma not by France, they stay America. There are many Okboma not make by America or you stay in Japan. I near walk man Okboma night man. But to Saloba na Okboma by we marry ni Jesus. Okboma got by America day. They will still be America. But Okboma got by you work a day. He an up by Wani. Why where? Useno kwa waji. Saloba na Okboma by you.